Sultan, look, I'm sorry for not telling you about Iago. I guess I saw some good in him, just like you saw some good in a street rat.
The good I saw in a... Well, yes, I suppose. Well said, my boy. Oh, you'll be a fine vizier.
This was a great idea, Iago. Thanks.
Oh, don't thank me. Really.
Sultan! Abysmal! Traitor!
Traitor is such a strong word!
I'll settle with you later.
Ah!
Come on, Carpet! Look! They're trapped on the cliff! When they stop, we'll... What? Abysmal knows magic?
Get the Sultan!
Hang on, Sultan! This is where we lose him. Sultan! We have to go back, Carpet!
What are you doing? Are you nuts? You saved him! He was this close to being a greasy little smear on the rocks.
Look, you little... my dear Abysmal. If you remember the plan, it is not yet time for the boy to meet his end.
I knew that.
Soon our revenge will be complete, and you shall have your third wish.
Oh boy, ooh, the little wishy.
And you, Iago, you have done well.
Please, don't mention it.